Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Cadillac CT5-V. In the domain of large sports sedans, the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V emerges as a formidable contender, blending exhilarating performance, opulent comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As the latest iteration of Cadillac's esteemed V-Series lineup, the CT5-V exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering thrilling driving experiences while maintaining the luxurious refinement expected from a premium vehicle. At the heart of the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V lies a potent twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing an impressive 420 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the CT5-V offers brisk acceleration and precise power delivery. Its dynamic handling and sport-tuned suspension ensure agile performance, making every drive an exhilarating experience. Further enhancing the CT5-V's dynamic capabilities are its advanced chassis and aerodynamic design. Cadillac's magnetic ride control, adaptive suspension, and performance Brembo brakes provide exceptional ride comfort and confident handling, allowing the CT5-V to maintain stability through corners and offer precise steering response. Its lightweight construction and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to its nimble responsiveness and stability at high speeds. Visually, the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V exudes a sporty and sophisticated aesthetic, featuring bold lines, distinctive V-Series accents, and a commanding presence on the road. Its exterior boasts a striking grille, aerodynamic sculpting, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance-oriented nature. Riding on 19-inch alloy wheels, the CT5-V showcases an athletic stance that commands attention wherever it goes. Inside the cabin, the CT5-V offers a luxurious and technologically advanced environment. Premium materials, such as leather upholstery and carbon fiber trim, create a refined ambience, while advanced amenities cater to modern drivers' needs. The CT5-V is equipped with Cadillac's latest infotainment system, featuring a touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system, ensuring connectivity and entertainment on the go. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V. The sedan comes equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Optional features such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert provide added peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. In conclusion, the 2024 Cadillac CT5-V offers a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the CT5-V delivers a thrilling driving experience that is sure to satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.